Hello students, let us solve one theorem from class 9th, that is the properties of inequalities of sides and angles of a triangle. We have studied that the property of two equal sides of a triangle, which is also called as isosceles triangle theorem. But so what if any two angles of a triangle are not congruent? That property we are going to learn in this video. Let us have the statement of the theorem. If two angles of triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater angle is greater than side opposite to the smaller angle. So this is the statement of a theorem. To prove this, we need a diagram. So let us have this diagram. Let us consider triangle ABC. So any triangle ABC is given. So given should be in triangle ABC, it's given that if we consider any two angles for this triangle, any one of them is greater than the other one. So in this diagram, it is given that angle B is greater than angle C. Because in the statement of the theorem, it is given that if two angles of a triangle are unequal, so if they are unequal, any one must be greater than the other one. So in this case, angle B is given to be greater than angle C. So that's the given. We have to prove that if it is so, then side opposite to greater angle is greater than side opposite to the smaller angle. Now in this case, the greater angle is angle B and the smaller angle is angle C. So side opposite to greater angle, that means side opposite to angle B is AC. We have to prove that AC is greater than side opposite to the smaller angle, and smaller angle is C. Its opposite side is AB. So here we should prove that AC is greater than AB. So that is we are going to prove. So let us have the proof. If we consider this triangle ABC, we have to prove that side AC is greater than side AB. Now, if we consider these two sides, we get maximum three possibilities about the order relation between these two. That is the order relation between the lengths of these two segments. Either AC is less than AB, or the second possibility is AC is equal to AB, or the third possibility is AC is greater than AB. So these are the only three possibilities that we get about the order relation between these two. We'll consider one by one. Let us consider the first case. AC is less than AB. So if we assume that AC is less than AB, then we have studied one theorem that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the greater side is greater. So here we have assumed that these two sides are unequal and AB is greater than AC. That's why angle opposite to AB must be greater than angle opposite to AC, and angle opposite to AB is angle C and angle opposite to AC is angle B. So by this property we have angle C is greater than angle B. But in given, it is given that angle B is greater than angle C. So we get these two statements which are contradictory to each other. So as we get a contradiction, that means what we have assumed is wrong. That means AC is less than AB. It's not possible. That's why AC is less than AB is a wrong statement. So it cannot be possible that AC is less than AB. So we have eliminated here the first possibility. Let us have the second possibility. Let us assume that AC is equal to AB. And we know that if in a triangle any two sides are congruent, then angles opposite to them are also congruent. So angles opposite to AC and AB are angle B and angle C respectively. So if these two sides are congruent, angles opposite to them are also congruent. That means angle B is equal to angle C. This is by isosceles triangle theorem. But it is given that angle B is greater than angle C, which is given. So, and we get angle B is equal to angle C. So these two are again contradictory statements. So what we have assumed here is also wrong. That means AC is equal to AB that we have assumed, so which is wrong. So here also we have eliminated the second possibility. So out of these three possibilities, the first is not possible, second is not possible. So only remaining possibility is third one, and AC is greater than AB is the only remaining possibility. That's why AC is greater than AB. So that is we have to prove AC is greater than AB. So we have proved this theorem. If two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater angle is greater than side opposite to smaller angle.